Hello guys, today we want to introduce to you our suitcase with all essential tools for semi-professional use. It is a rolling suitcase and it has a sturdy case outside. Let's check it out what's inside. This tool set has 3 layers of tools, so let's check one by one. So you can see here some big tools, and here are more the sockets, and this layer can be easily removed, and we can see another layer with more tools inside. And if you move this layer, you can also use this box, for example, to store other things, or you can choose only essential tools that you need to use and exactly move this tool case to the location where you're going to work. Okay, so here we have 2 types of pliers, nose plier and normal plier. Then here is our adjustable wrench. Here we have different sizes of hex key wrenches. This is hammer. The hammer. This is a tongue and groove plier, normally used for plumbing jobs. Here we have utility knife, and by the way, it comes with the additional blade. Utility knife, pretty sharp, very handy in your house. This is torpedo level, this is measuring tape, and here we have handsaw with additional blades. So this is our first level of this big tool set. So here we have 2 additional levels of tools. So let's check out. Here we have different sizes of wrenches. Here we have 6 pieces of screwdrivers with different heads. Here we have a wire stripper. It's quite big and very handy. Here we have assortment kit. We have a set of screwdrivers, again of different sizes, very handy. Okay. Slotted head and Phillips head. This is electroprobe, and let's check out this layer. So here majorly we can see 2 sizes of ratchets, big ratchet and a small ratchet, and of course you can use different sockets according to your needs, and you will need different socket adapters depending on the size of the socket. Press the button here to attach the socket. Press again to detach. Okay, change the direction here. Here we have additional sets of screwdriver bits. It's all different types of screwdrivers, and also we provide additional sets of nails and screws. So I think that's it. So as you can see, this tool set offers a lot of tools, everything that you need for your house, for your bike or auto repair. You can find all the necessary tools here, and you can store all tools in one suitcase. This suitcase also has additional wheels that can help you to roll this suitcase from place to place. You can store this suitcase in the garage or your house, and you don't need any additional tools anymore. So please check the link down below if you want to get this suitcase, 258 pieces. It's the most comprehensive tool set offered by Deko. Thank you for watching.